In this video, let's explore the frequently asked questions related to Malta's Permanent Residency Program, MPRP by investment. Who is eligible to apply for Malta's permanent residency? Third country nationals, excluding EU, EEA and Switzerland are eligible. Nationals from the currently sanctioned countries of or have close ties with Afghanistan, North Korea, Iran, Democratic Republic of Congo, Somalia, South Sudan, Sudan, Syria, Yemen and Venezuela are ineligible. Additionally, applicants from the Russian Federation and the Republic of Belarus are currently not eligible. What are the main benefits of Malta's permanent residency? The advantages of residency in Malta through investment include residency in an EU member state with visa-free access to the Schengen area for 90 days within a 180-day period. The right to renew residency indefinitely in Malta. Investment is required only during the first 5 years. No residency requirement. Family members can be included. Which family members are eligible to be included in a Maltese residency visa application? The main applicant may include their spouse, dependent children, dependent parents and grandparents in the application. To qualify as a dependent, a parent or grandparent or either the main applicant or the spouse must demonstrate to the Malta Residency Agency that they rely primarily on the main applicant at the time of application, with no age restrictions. The main applicant must also submit a declaration confirming their support for each parent or grandparent. If a parent or grandparent is applying as a dependent, evidence of the relationship, such as a family tree through birth certificates for the main applicant or spouse and birth certificates for the relevant parent and grandparent, must be provided. What are the applicable administrative fees for Malta residency application? An administrative fee of €50,000 is charged per application. An initial non-refundable fee of €15,000 must be paid to the relevant Maltese residency agency within a month of submitting the application. The remaining $35,000 is due within 2 months of issuing the initial approval letter. The contribution fee of €30,000 applies if property is purchased or €60,000 if it is rented. An additional fee of €10,000 is charged for each additional dependent. What are the donation details to a volunteer organisation when applying for a Maltese residency? A financial contribution of €2,000 is to be made to a local registered philanthropic, cultural, sport, scientific, animal welfare or artistic NGO registered with the Commissioner for Voluntary Organisations or as otherwise approved by the agency. What is the validity of a Malta residency certificate and card? The residency certificate remains valid as long as all programme obligations are met. The residency card is valid for 5 years or until children reach the age cut-off point at 14 and 18, after which the beneficiary must reapply for the card renewal with the relevant agency. How long does it take to process a Malta residency application? Applications are expected to take approximately 6 to 9 months to process. If a Malta residency application is declined, can the applicant reapply? Yes, the applicant may reapply in the future. Does the main applicant need to be present when submitting the Malta residency application? The applicant's presence is not required as the agent will submit the application on their behalf. Is it possible to reapply for Malta citizenship through the Permanent Residency Program? Yes, as a beneficiary of the Malta Residency Program may submit an application for the acquisition of Maltese citizenship by naturalisation after continuously residing in Malta for a minimum period of 5 years. Should have resided in Malta throughout the 12 months immediately before the date of application and 4 years out of the preceding 6-year period. He has to be knowledgeable in spoken and written English or Maltese, of sound mind and of good conduct. The Minister has the discretion, as per law, to grant or deny the application. Thus, meeting these conditions does not guarantee an automatic citizenship by naturalisation. The decision depends on internal policies, which may consider the years as one of the requirements in assessing the application. Does Malta's Permanent Residency Program provide any tax benefits? The programme does not offer any tax incentives. Maltese tax laws applicable to this situation will apply. However, as a general rule, Malta's basic tax regulations state that tax for non-residents of Malta is levied on all taxable income and capital gains arising in Malta and taxable income originating outside Malta, if remitted to Malta in the case of a Malta resident. Only taxable income and capital gains arising in Malta for individuals who are not resident in Malta. For more about Malta's programme, reach out to Citizenship Bay, an authorised agent for several countries worldwide and for top citizenship and residency by investment programmes. They have the full expertise and necessary connections to guide you through all of the required steps to obtain it. For more information, contact us via our website www.citizenshipbay.com or call us on the following numbers